Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Vlogmas episode number 1. Yeah, I decided to hop on it. I'm hopping on the Vlogmas. You guys know I don't like to do like everyday vlogging because that is just impossible for me, but I do like to do little episodes, and usually an episode is like a full week, so I will be sharing my life with you guys during the holiday season. And this video is pretty exciting, so don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it so you guys can become a part of my squad. Let's get into the video. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys the vacation that we just took, my husband and I, my husband Wyatt and I. We are actually celebrating our 10-year dating anniversary. I know everybody likes to, you know, celebrate their wedding anniversary, which we do as well. We like to also celebrate our dating, especially if it's 10 years. So our anniversary is actually December 27th, which is such a hard time to do anything because it's like right after Christmas, right before New Year's. So we usually try to celebrate beforehand. So this year we decided to go to Park City, Utah. It was actually my first time in Utah, which was so beautiful. I ended up just vlogging. Right now I'm using my phone. I noticed that when like I have a camera, I'm less likely to like bring it with me to places, but because I always have my phone on me, I'm like quicker to just take it out and vlog anything. So I did go ahead and vlog that trip for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Before I show you guys my trip, I wanted to give you guys a little tour of my 3 Christmas trees. This is one of them. This is my girly tree for my studio. I just wanted to show you guys some of the decorations that I got going on. So this is my girly tree, and I think everybody deserves a girly tree. I do have a cute pink bow on it, and I just love, like, I got these little roses, and I even put like flowers. I got most of this at Hobby Lobby. Like, look how cute. Like, if you look at the details, I'm just like obsessed. So it is like a 7-foot skinny tree, and then I did get these cute little trees from Target. I believe this was like $1, and these each were like $3, so not bad at all. And look how magical it looks when I have all the lights turned off. So next we have this tree. This is my living room tree, and I don't know what happened, but I guess the lights right here died, so don't love that. But this is like my fancy tree, I guess you would say. I do have a nice little red bow over here, and the theme for this one is just like classic Christmas colors. Say hi to the vlog. Here's Tiger. Do you guys remember Tiger? And here's Leo. I feel bad. I have like this little light on for them. Here is our mantle. I believe I got this garland at Hobby Lobby. And then everybody always thinks that we have babies. This is for our little kitties. And I just got these bells this year. I think I got them from Hobby Lobby, actually. Okay, and lastly, this is the tree in our bedroom. Now, this is like our tacky, like traditional Christmas tree. We love getting ornaments on vacation. So this I actually got in Utah, and you guys will see Utah right after this. We have like different things, like when we first got engaged, different trips that we've been on, our last name, when we got our first home, and just, you know, just a lot of like baby stuff too. Like, look at this. This is Wyatt, 1990. Wyatt baby's first Christmas. It's so crazy, but I do love having like a tree like this in my bedroom that's more just like very like nostalgic. I am going to be hosting a Christmas party at my house in like 2 weeks, so of course I will be vlogging all of that. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog and you guys enjoy our little vacation adventures. Going to Park City, Utah. Yay! Yeah. Yourself. I'm a merry little Christmas. Brownie. We're having some hot cocoa and marshmallows. Look at this. Look at those marshmallows. It's been a long travel day. I am still wearing the makeup that I put on at 7:45 in the morning to go to the airport. But you know what? I've just been reapplying my favorite powder foundation. Look at that. Still looks pretty good to me. We're gonna go to a really nice steakhouse. What is this steakhouse called, babe?
River Horse on Main.
River Horse on Main. I want a big, fat, juicy steak. And look at this coat. I got this at Forever 21 last year. It was on sale. RIP Forever 21. How cute is this? Tomorrow, we're thinking about maybe going ice skating or snow tubing. And the only problem is there's no snow. We passed like a tubing place and there's only like one ramp with only a little bit of snow, which still looks fun, but honestly I would prefer to just go ice skating. We've had a long day, but we're gonna go have a good steak dinner, get some rest, and then have energy for tomorrow. Right?
Damn Skippy.
Damn Skippy. Happy almost 10-year anniversary.
Anniversary. Beautiful.
I'm going to breakfast. This is all for me. You're not getting any.
That's not true. Pour some syrup on that.
Avocado toast with some smoked salmon. Wyatt's already killing that whole pancake. Wyatt, what'd you get? You got a girl breakfast. And who ordered this pancake? Me. Houston, we have some snow.
The slide looks cool. See that?
The slide does look cool. We might ride a roller coaster or a slide. Or both. I'm a little scared.
Are you videoing? I don't think you're supposed to video.
I know. I don't care. We paid for this. Okay, look how high we're going. All the way up there.
Look how it goes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we decided to skip ice skating because snow tubing sounded way more fun.
Keep going more. I can't film my wife coming down.
You can film them. Wait. Need you to keep moving, sir.
I don't know if the video captured how fast that roller coaster went, but it was a lot faster than Wyatt and I thought. It's probably a lot faster because we were in it together and we were probably weighing more than like a parent and a child, but it was a lot of fun. And then that tubing was a lot of fun too. So we actually put our name on a wait list to go to a, we don't even know. It's an Elf show. It's like a live show of the movie Elf. We have no idea if it's a musical at the Egyptian Theater, and it's historic.
The historic Egyptian theater.
The historic Egyptian theater, for those of you that need every detail. And we have no idea what to expect, but we're excited. We're gonna go there and hopefully it's funny, hopefully it's entertaining, and then we're gonna go grab some dinner. But we were in the Uber and the guy was like, damn, you guys have done a lot for just getting here last night. It's because we're so productive.
Me right now is like eyes hurt.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Wyatt got a beer. Taste test.
It's a pumpkin ale.
Smile.
Okay.
This so neat.
Chips. Swish, swish. And a crispy Diet Coke.
Now do a little dance.
Look where we're having dinner tonight. Look at these globes. We're gonna have Italian food.
Italian?
Yum. And I'm freezing my butt off in this little fur jacket, but it's so cute. You guys, we got a whole thing of grilled olives. Why you got a mushroom soup. Here we have a flatbread. Goat cheese.
Goat cheese, bacon, arugula.
I mean, Could you think of
take a bite of that.
Okay, taste test.
Taste test.
Oh my gosh. I don't want anybody to see me. Good old spaghetti and meatballs.
My favorito. It's a coulis. It's a raspberry coulis.
Right there? Try it. The coulis. That looks like lemon curd.
Hints of huckleberry.
Ooh.
Should I be filming you?
We love affogatos. Guys, it's snowing. It's the first snow since we've got here, and look. Can you tell by my outfit that it's snowing?
How fun.
Yay! I got a sweet potato stack with eggs. Wyatt really wanted to get a side of banana bread. And look at that acai bowl. Going around town looking for Christmas gifts for our family. Look at the snow. Beautiful. Guys, I got a hot chocolate with Kahlua. Because why would I not? This is the best thing I've ever had. Wyatt, did you just order a clam chowder in a bread bowl?
You order that?
I did order that. Oh my god. Wyatt ate the whole bread bowl.
Oh god.
Can you believe we just killed that whole thing? While I'm having whipped cream? Cheers.